Types of angles: acute, obtuse, right, straight. Geometry lesson 2. Acute angle. Definition: an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. For example, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 70 degrees. Visual clue: it's a sharp or a narrow angle. This is acute angle. And the right angle, by definition, is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. Its symbol is a small square at the vertex, often marking it. And for example, there's only one, and it's 90 degrees. It must measure exactly 90 degrees. Important note, right angles form the basis of squares as well as rectangles. Obtuse angle. The definition of an obtuse angle is that it is an angle that measures no more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. For example, 100 degrees, 120 degrees, and 150 degrees. The visual clue is it's wider than a right angle, but not a straight line. A straight line, however, or rather a straight angle, by definition, is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. It looks like a straight line visually, and the fact is it forms when two ray points are in exactly opposing directions. A straight angle is formed when two rays point in exactly opposite directions. Reflex angle and full rotation, or paragon. A reflex angle, by definition, measures more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. For example, 270 degrees. Now, a full rotation, or a paragon, by definition, is an angle that measures exactly 360 degrees. This means it is a complete circle or a turn. Now, I have constructed this sort of chart here with the angle type, its measure, and I have given an example, just one example in this context. So an acute angle type is 0 degrees. The angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. That's how I'll say that, actually. So in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, if that's what your angle is, you have an acute angle. So for example, 45 degrees. A right angle is equal to 90 degrees, always. 90 degrees is the only example. An obtuse angle is an angle that lies in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So for example, 135 degrees. A straight angle is an angle that equals exactly 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the only example here. A reflex angle lies in between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. For example, 270 degrees. And a full rotation is an angle, or a paragon, as I also have called it, is a angle that equals exactly 360 degrees, where 360 is the only example